What is up, guys? So, actually testing my new iPhone 12 Pro, relatively new. I got it a month ago, and then lo and behold, iPhone 13 Pro came out, which is the sole reason why I got this phone in the first place for the video. It was between this or the Galaxy S21 Samsung, but I got this because I believe and I've read and seen that the video for iPhone is always paramount. It's always the best, which is true, I think. And again, iPhone 13 came out and it's even better. It's got the cinematic and all that good stuff. Anyway, um, babbling about that, it is what it is. So today, I just got back from doing back and buys. It's Saturday. It's actually not my normal day for back and buys. I was just skipping some days lately, and yeah, I didn't want to skip today. Obviously, overall, this week I did a 4 day instead of 5 day workout week, workout split. A lot of it's because of scheduling. I got sick a couple of days ago, whatnot. Anyway, excuses, no excuses, but I still went today. I'm not gonna work out tomorrow. I'm keeping my Sundays off still, regardless. But next week I'm gonna hit it hard. Anyway, I want to do a quick video letting you know kind of like the results of my workout for today. I felt pretty strong. I'm trying this new pre-workout, like I mentioned in a couple of videos ago, that I'll be trying. It finally arrived yesterday, and I tried it for the second time today. And I'm not sure if, I mean, I'm feeling a little bit different, but it's not much yet because I'm only using half a scoop, and that's kind of what the direction is. If your body's not used to it, I mean, it's been a while since I've taken pre-workouts, literally years. So I wanted to be safer about it, and just follow the directions. So I'm gonna do like a week, half a scoop until I build a tolerance, and then go to a full scoop. I don't see myself going to max 2 scoops per workout, even though it is part of the label, and perhaps it might even improve even more my workouts. But I don't take pre workouts to give me kind of like cheat, kind of like give me extra strength and all that. I just want the focus. I just want the extra edge in my workout. I think I get a lot of that already in my pre-workout shake that I will be showing you guys soon on how I make that, and my pre-workout meals in general. Adequate rest and everything in between before working out. Like I said, the pre-workout is just for the edge. And I did see it in my cardio. I noticed that my cardio is I'm able to last a little longer, even with just half a scoop. My lifting is where I want to still gauge it, which I'm not sure yet. I do feel a little bit stronger. I'm doing a little bit uh, more exercises when it comes to the workout itself, the lifting sessions. So perhaps it is working, or perhaps it could be all in my mind. I don't know. But we'll see if this truly does work. I know it works for, in general, pre workout does work. It's just I don't know if this specific pre workout works. So I'll give it a month, and then give you guys a comprehensive and realistic, truthful review if it's something you guys may want to try. So anyway, that's all. Like I said, short video. I just wanted to give you guys my thoughts on today, and I'm every day I work out. I want to come out knowing that I did my best, that I worked hard. I'm not always doing better than before. I mean, there'll be some days that I won't. I'll just be upfront about that. But at least coming out satisfied, and I'm satisfied. So, but like I said, there'll be days where I'll be like blah and just not continue, and that's normal. Don't beat yourself up for it if that's you too. Just keep at it next time, do better than next time, and keep working hard as much as possible. So this is about your health. This is about how you feel about yourself, how you will look in the end, fulfilling your goals. Just keep at it, and in the end, things will work out. So that's all I have for today. If you like this video, smash that like button for me, and until the next video, see you later. Bye.